Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how to change batteries of your Nissan fob keys. So basically I have Nissan Sentra 2019 and I'm getting a low key battery error, or you can say warning, it's not an error. So definitely it's a good time to replace the batteries. So in order to replace the battery you need to buy a compatible battery. It's CR2032. So you can read your owner manual that what battery is actually required for your car. So I purchased it and now I'm gonna change it. So three things I have put here: my fob key, batteries, and a screwdriver. Okay, so the first thing, I'm gonna unpack the battery. So the battery has been unpacked. See, this is the plus sign and the other side is the negative sign. So the plus sign goes like this. I'll show you once I open. So the next step is to open the fob key. So first you see this little, just flip it down so that you can pull out the key. Okay, so I just pulled it down and took off my key. So now I have it. Okay, now you see here you're gonna find like two things. Okay, one small area where you have a small vacant space. There we are gonna put this flathead screw and pull it slightly over. I'll show you. So I put my screwdriver and slightly pulled. See, now it has detached. So now I'm going to put my screwdriver here and I'm going to pull it down so that I can take the whole area out. So when you gently go down and you take it out, you don't have to put too much force. This is, you see, this is the battery that you are going to change. Okay. So you can use the same screwdriver and just gently pull it up over here. And then you are going to apply this new battery. See, this plus sign is going to go down. You see we have a plus sign here, so it has to match with that. Okay, so I'm going to put my battery in. Okay, gently push. Okay, now put this back up and press it and fix it. So now the battery has been replaced and I have attached it back. I can just use the key and we can use it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.